Céad uair sa bhating, was a call grand entry is bhil le iascadan is an heolachin, a cóiricha tòiseachadh seusan a giomach.
Everyone's leaving single file now. Give Daddy a big hug. Okay. Aaron, we'll just get the ropes ready.
Setting day on the Saturday, that first morning, suddenly it's like everybody comes out of hibernation. We actually have a celebration with fireworks when the boats take off. All the families go down to wave goodbye to all their partners or brothers or friends. Everybody gets out to wave their loved ones off in the hope that they have a good season. Because every year you don't know if there's going to be lobster, you don't know what the price of lobster is going to be, you don't know what the weather's going to be like. So there's a lot of anticipation there.
Well, that's day one of the crazies, setting day. Everyone's all in this mad rush to start leaving. The Coast Guard won't let you out of the channel or nothing anyway until 5 o'clock.
Hanna báteach in a puúteach ar seanna bhí sanáte seár ar an tòiseachadh. Hat a an fiúd is an lasan, a chuhannig is tòiseach ofigeal an héasan ag cógiúadin.
5 o'clock when the season goes, go around. It's lobster time. All the Gen V's passing us. Leaving here. Probably one of the biggest races around. First day lobster fishing on the Magdalen Islands. The biggest rat race. Is there a lot of boats behind us, Aaron? Or? Yeah, buddy, there's a lot. As long as you're not the first in line, you won't get fined.
Tá sé in Éileán ag call Grosse Île.
Well, it's time to go, I guess.
Ha William agus a bhúnship a Jenner J-Shall is an fágal.
We'll soon be going out. Waiting for it to lighten up a little bit so we can see what's going on. We're still tired, we never got our rest. A couple days rest is all we got.
Sábhais gan cúd cruúich an seachad na seachgaidir nó héasan a giomach a gulachach. A cha mbliana chud William ré láichan na bharach de dhiascach a chlachan I dhéanamh cuideachd.
We were all done before lobster and I bought more scallop days. Pretty crazy idea. Fish right till the very last minute kind of thing. Just can't stop. Climb up front now, it's gonna be rough. We're gonna have the roughest start out of everyone on the island for sure. Everybody's gonna start going here now. Once one guy starts moving, they're all pulling out at the same time. Come on, get going, buddy. You're in a business like fishing. We're all greedy. That's the name of the game.
Iadach skipad caint na mítir golar an ein, ma héid a dro atam an chalam is tíid an lasar a luscag ag cógiúadin.
1 minute, man. 1 minute to go. This is the farthest they ever been before 5 o'clock. The flare should be probably, normally they shoot it from this one or the old big boat. Must be out here somewhere. Woo!
Here we go, boys, it's showtime. Yes, sir.
Gan quota ofigeal orra, fyrti na skipad na hoppas at jyn giomach a glachach ro iadach an héasan.
You got 54 days to make a living, so you know, you gotta get out there and get that bread. You put on your rubber boots like lacing up your hockey skis. You ain't got no friends out there.
It's all Stevens wake here now and getting, I think it's going to be quite a roll. That's all the loads looks good here. Yep, go for it. I'll cut her back some after. Who's this ding dong, no lights on her light?
Seach go bhfuil go bhain hua ha call Grosse Île is lécúnardach.
Yeah, that's a good swell for setting day. You gotta watch out for the other boats a little bit. Especially me, where I'm slow, they pull up beside you or behind you and stuff. The fast boats, they're sailing twice as fast too, so they're moving up and down real fast. Some guys' boats are about 13, 14 feet wide in there. Those guys are shitting their pants. To me, this is what you need for lobster. To hell with speed.
Ag liad fasc fiche traich, agus fat fasc cuke traich. Hamiad stoltig wunship na bhliadhna William, as ga a haharigh vo iascach draghan, cuideachd giomach.
We got the whole fleet of traps on, no problem. They may be a little faster, but they're going to have to come back in and get their second load. That's where we get them. The slow and steady wins the race.